I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making a hollow chocolate Easter egg. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Easter's coming up, so I thought it might be fun to do something traditional, the classic hollow egg. It's super easy, so let's get to it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own hollow chocolate Easter egg, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, you'll need some chocolate or melting wafers and an egg mold. The amount of chocolate will depend on how big your mold is. I started out by filling one of the mold cavities as a measure, but I ended up needing twice that much. So I'd recommend using enough chocolate to fill both halves of the mold. Okay, let's make some candy. Temper half of the chocolate and divide it between the mold cavities. Use a spoon to bring the chocolate all the way to the top. Turn the mold over onto a wire rack and let it drain. Clean the rack. Tidy up the top of the mold and let the chocolate set. The top edges of the cavities will probably be a little thin at this point, so temper the remaining chocolate, including the chocolate that you drained from the mold, and apply it to the top edges of the cavities with a pastry brush. Let the mold rest on the counter until the chocolate is fully set. Put a saucepan on the stove and set the burner to the lowest temperature available, and place one of the pieces in the pan to flatten out the edge. Place it back in the mold and add some smaller candies, toys, or other Easter goodies. Place the other piece in the pan and melt the edge. Quickly place this piece on top of the piece in the mold, making sure everything is lined up. The melted chocolate on the edge will seal the pieces together. And that's it. Now, since this is just straight chocolate, we know how it's going to taste, so instead of a tasting, let's open this baby up. I hope I can get it on camera because I only have one shot, one opportunity. Sláinte. Okay, that worked even better than I'd hoped. There you have it, my compadres, the classic hollow chocolate Easter egg. If you have kids coming to your Easter celebration, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Just because I'm not doing a tasting doesn't mean I'm going to miss out on the chocolate.